on the train to the Netherlands, and this is like what they have like a cafe and stuff right on the train. It's pretty crazy. Such a smooth ride. But yeah, we are about an hour from Rotterdam, and we're gonna meet up with Ben. So I am at my friend Ben's house, and yeah, we are gonna go out for the night. We got a lot planned, but yeah, he showed me his like 3D printer setup, and he's got like a bunch of 3D printers and like miniatures that he's painting. Check him out. Also, welcome to the Netherlands. Yeah, he's been painting these. Yeah, like a whole station. So this is, if you don't 3D print, this is a cure. This like takes the resin and solidifies it. This is actually the 3D printer that like prints it. And then this is the wash, where it like has to like wash off any extra resin so that it can like be a good print, and that's what this machine does. But yeah, he's got a solid setup right here. Look at these figurines, he paints them all. The grass. All the detail. Really cool stuff. In Panama, they call it soy sauce chino sauce. Yeah, this is the Netherlands. This is like downtown. Is this downtown or no?
This is the central Rotterdam.
Yeah, Rotterdam is where we're at. It is incredibly modern and clean. Oh my god. That's what that one girl that was moving from Rotterdam to France, she was like, the standard of living in the Netherlands is just so good. Like,
Yeah. And clean.
dude, good luck finding like trash. Yeah, wow. They act like Japan's clean, but this is.
Apart from there's actually bins. But the only time there's trash is when homeless people dig through the bins to get to like the
valuable trash.
No, to get to the, yeah, exactly, the cans with the shit. They drag like 3 bags of fucking cans to the supermarket to get like €8 or something. It's quite tragic.
That seems like something you guys would try to get away with.
Yeah, I think one of them is a hostel now. I think there's a stay okay on that side, and they just bought like 2 floors of them and knocked them through and said, okay, it's a hostel now, whatever. Actually look into it. Like,
Dude, that's one of the coolest buildings I've ever seen.
Yeah, we can walk through because it's still open. Because we're going that way.
Holy shit. That's a smart idea.
Yeah, this was designed by an architect for like MRDVV or something like that, and they're like, they do all the wacky fucking buildings around it. They only do crazy shit around the world, you know?
Yeah, so these are all apartments inside here, and they can just fucking beautiful too. Wow. So much art. That's wild.
Yeah.
But then you come down out of your apartment and come down to like little.
Yeah, and you can go into like any of the restaurants. You know, there's a supermarket underneath.
That's so cool.
Oh, they're setting up some street cars tomorrow as well.
Oh shit. This is so walkable. Holy fuck. That's the only church that survived the bombing. Funny statue up here, but
Yeah. So officially, it's like Father Christmas holding a Christmas tree.
but what do you see?
It's a fucking gnome with a butt plug.
Father Christmas.
Sorry, I'm so confused. Okay. Okay.
So you have the wine market and then the fish market. So you pick out your fish and then you pick out your wine. Pretty awesome. Red.
You like red, but red doesn't always go with fish. Is the problem.
Okay. I will trust your judgment in terms of like that. Yeah, look at this food. This is quite the spread, Ben. Yeah, this looks. This,
Like fucking.
this, yeah. Tuna steaks, octopus, prawns. We are going to town. This is the final course. Ben, how you feeling after?
I need Ozempic.
That octopus is your favorite so far?
I'm fucking wasted, bro. Like,
And this is just the beginning.
start the bar crawl. I say start the bar crawl, but this is like.
So yeah, we finished the meal. Fucking good, really fucking good.
Bro, the vlog is just gonna cut to black at any minute.
But yeah, this is like a beer hall. Is this a beer hall kind of like, or
It's just a bar.
yeah? Man, this is insane.
Speak German, buy a pack of cigarettes, and take this and be like.
So this bar is like these like handles you can like twist and it'll like move the table, like the chairs and stuff. So, which is pretty funny. But yeah, nice little bar. Yeah, so we went out in Rotterdam last night and it was a blast. Yeah, we're a bit hungover, still recouping. It's like 2 p.m. We're like just moving. So, but yeah, no, this is what the backyard looked like. But yeah, very fun, very fun. So tonight we're gonna do it all again. This is McDonald's in the Netherlands. Got a little spot, grabbing some lunch. You gotta pay like a deposit for the cup and stuff, but I'm sure it's gonna be the same quality McDonald's as always. This is a cute little market area where the McDonald's was. You got all this candy and shit in there. Candy stores are really good here. Yeah, the amount of like public places they have here is just insane to me, where they just everyone's hanging out. It feels like I'm like, where's people going to work? Like, what's going on? But yeah, no, it's this place is beautiful. They really like prioritize like cleaning and like cleanliness, and also like public spaces. Like hanging out with them yesterday, they were all talking about the park and stuff, which is like hilarious. They were talking about like, oh, the parks are gonna be packed, like. But yeah, so this is how you throw your trash out. In here. So it's a lot easier than a fucking dumpster.
I always buy bags which are too big for this. Okay, can brush it up a little bit.
Oh, there you go. So we're gonna play some he's got his setup going. This is Warhammer.
Autism.
Autism on display.
I have had a girlfriend before, I promise.
This was, he didn't even have to get a test on these. I just saw himself painting figurines and he's like, oh.
Yeah.
This is what this is.
They sent me to a psychologist and they're like, yeah, this is definitely a Warhammer kid.
But we got a couple friends coming over to battle them to see who has more autism.
Definitely.
Love art.
I love art. I wouldn't say what I do is art, but so yeah, so we are at the park, and it's a nice day, and the local soccer team won, so Ben is very happy about it. And we're gonna hang out and drink some beers.
Oh, well. Looks like the wind buzzing now. Should we go by those trees?
Yeah, in the corner.
Is that like a restaurant over there?
Yeah, kind of. I think so.
So this is a Sunday night in Rotterdam, and this place is packed. Yeah. Place is super cute. But yeah, I've never been to a coffee shop here, so I just wanted to walk in and see. I think legally they have to, but yeah, let's see.